Hello guys, you are welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a form for your product. Alright, how to create a form for your product. When you design a landing page, you want to add a form to it. I will show you how you can design a form for your product. Alright, so without wasting much time, I will just dive in straight and show you how to design a form for your product. Alright, so first of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. As you can see on the screen, this is a WordPress dashboard. So you come over to plugin, and come here, you click on add new, right? Click on add new, right? So you can see that now. Then you click on the name of the form we are going to be using is not on this system here, all right? So you cannot search for it here. So what I will do is I will upload it, upload form. You can see upload plugin, rather click on choose plugin. So click on choose plugin. So I'll be using a form called form craft, right? I'll be showing you how to do that with form craft. All right, so I'll come over to all right, so you see the form craft. I'll just select the form craft and I click on open. Right, I can see it now. Then I'll click on install. So you just pick the particular form craft. This is the form craft. This form craft will enable you to create form. It will enable you to get notified via your email, and it will also help you get access to your details. For everyone that come to fill the form, you have access to their details. So it is a 3-in-1 kind of form craft, other than all those forms that we are using. All right, so I will show you how you can design it step-by-step process of creating form with form craft. Right, so if you just allow it to upload, and see it's uploading. So the moment it's done uploading, then we can begin the process of designing. All right, so you can see now it's done uploading. Then you click on activate plugin. All right, click on activate plugin. So all right, good. The plugin has been activated. So the moment any plugin you install, the moment you activate any plugin, it will appear on this side. Now you can see the form craft here. Can you see it, form craft? Then you click on form. All right, so you click on form craft, then you click on form. All right, so once it's loading, let me show you the essence of all of these things we have here. Now this is the form you are going to be creating. Entries for anybody that comes to submit the form. This is where you get it. Inside, if you have anybody that upload any file, this is where you get it, and this is the license. All right, so once you're here now, you click on new form. Click on new form. Then these are the different, they have templates. If you want to duplicate, if you want to import a form, all right, it has different templates. But like for me, I like designing my own form from scratch. So I'll just start from scratch. So you click on this is blank, right? It's already in blank. And then you give the form a name, the name you want your form to be called. For instance, you are designing a form for a particular product. Let's say you are designing a form for an OSA product. Give the name of the form. All right, give the name of the form. You can say OSA, or you can say training. For me, I want to do training. I'll say training. I'll say training. It's a training form. Right. Then I'll click on create form. Okay. All right. I'll click on training form. Then this is the width. The width talks about the how you want it to be. You can see the width now. It's showing 420. That's from year to year. If I come over to this place now and I increase it, you can see 800. You can see 800. Right. You can see 800. You can see it now. If you want to turn it to 1000, you can do that. Now, once you are here, you come over to add field. What are the things you want in your form? For instance, like I'm doing a training, I can say name, phone number, email. All right, you can do that. But if you are designing it for a product, you want to sell a product. All right, for instance, as you are trying to sell a product, you can design a form in such a way that it will have a name, phone number, address. All right, then you have select quantity. Right, select quantity if it is 1, if it is 2, if it is 3. Then you can put submit. All right, so I will just show you how to do the two. So I'll come over to this place. You have your heading, have one line input, one line input again. Okay, then I have my email, I have my text area, I have my drop down. Okay, and I have my submit. So look at all the things I pick. This is the name. This is the. I will just show you how you can build this. All right, I can come over. This is the title. Click on it. Just click on the title. All right. So once you click on it, it will appear. Can you see it now? Just watch this arrow down there. This arrow down. All right. So now, this icon you are seeing here, it means minimize. All right. This icon means minimize. This means duplicate. All right. Why this means delete? If I want to delete this aspect that has to do with some title, the moment I click on this icon now, it will delete. Can you see it no longer there? I can add it back, come over to this place, I click on it, but it will be down. So once it's down, I can drag it up. Right? Can you see it now? I can drag it up. It's very easy. If I want this one down, I can drag. Can you see it now? It's very easy. Drag and drop. So let me edit, click on it. So I'll leave this heading there. Then some title, I say fill the form to join the training. All right, so you can see that. Okay, so let me see. Can you see there? Then this means if you want to increase the font, the size of the letter, can you see now? This means to increase, this means to reduce, this means to bolding, right? To make it bold. Why this means alignment? I want to be at the center. Can you see it now? All right. Sorry. So I want to be at the center. Then remember, I'm still working on it. Oh, sorry. Minimize. Minimize. Then okay. So I want to be at the center. Then if I want to change the color of this, I can change the color. You can see that now. If I click on select color, so I'll just, if you click on this font color, it will enable you to change the color of the. All right, so if you click on this color now, can you see it? To enable to change the color. If I want it to be red, if I want it to be red, I click on red. Can you see that it has changed to red? Okay. Then if I want to change the background color of this title only, if I click on this, you can see it now. If I want to do just for this, can you see this now? Okay, so that is for that aspect. So I'll just leave it like that. Okay, so that is, I'm done with that. Then I come to the next one. You can see it now, name. I click on it. I want to edit this too. You can see the name. I don't want I just want this label only. I can say full name. All right, I can say full name. All right, so now once you do that, you come to validation. In the aspect of validation, when you're writing your name, you will use only alphabet. All right, you see only alphabet. Then allow space, meaning that if you write your first name, you leave a space before you write your surname or other names. So I'll just say allow space, then I'll mark required field. Okay, this other ones just leave it like that. All right, then you click on minimize. Now the reason why I had to mark it required is that it will be compulsory for them to put their name. Without them putting their name, they cannot submit the form. That's the essence of that required field. Okay, so the next one is, I'll come to this now. Okay, change this one. Hope you are getting value from this particular video. And the next thing is, I'll say phone number. All right, phone number. Then validation, only numbers. Can you see that now? I will not allow space. I will just mark it required. Very easy. So now this is phone number. This is name. Then the next one is email. All right, come over to this side again, come to email. All right, come to email. So I'll remove this now, say email address. Okay, then just leave everything and mark required. Okay, so minimize, then come to this aspect, comments, and do this now, remove this, say home address, sorry, say home address. Okay, then say required field. Then I don't want to show count. I don't want to show count. So if you look at count now, that means how many letters they will be showing. I don't want to show that. So I leave it. Okay, right. Then the next one is quantity. Now there are some products you will see online. There are some products you see online whereby they will tell you select quantity. Let me use this. They will tell you select quantity. Now, this is what I'm saying. Come over to this place now. Say select quantity. Okay. Then in this aspect now that I say select option, I can remove this. Okay. Then I will say, let's say one bottle or one pack. Okay. So one pack equals 12,000. All right. Say two packs equals 24,000. I will get what I'm doing here. So say I will get it now. Then the next one I come down and say three packs. Right, say equals 35,000. Right, 35,000. Okay, can you see this now? So this is what we have on that aspect. Then I will say minimize. Now, as you click on it, can you see the way it's showing? This is what you do in that aspect. But if you don't want to also do this now, if you don't want to do this, you want to do something like checkbox. You can say checkbox. Right? You can say checkbox. So once you have the checkbox like this now, it's okay. You have words. All right. So once you pick this checkbox, now you can see that here. So if you want to add these things to it, all right, you can see. So if you want, in the case of whereby you have this, if you don't want to do this, you can use this. So if you click on it now, come over to this place, you say select quantity, the same thing, select quantity. Okay, you can see Apple. So in the case of this now, I don't want to type this long process, then I can click on this. Let me click on this. Okay, good. I can select this, copy, minimize, then come over to this place, remove this, then I'll paste. Can you see what it's showing here? One pack, two packs, three packs. Can you see that? So if you want to do that, you can do this. You can do any of them, that is or that. All right. So now in this aspect of select quantity also, if you don't want to do this one, you can select. If you want to choose your state of origin, I can come over to state in Nigeria and say states in Nigeria. So state in Nigeria. All right, in alphabetical order. If I come to state in Nigeria, this is it for example. Can you see? So if you copy all the states, come over to this form now, and I say in this aspect. So I say, oh sorry. So this I can say select. I can say select state of. I can say state of origin. Can you see that now? State of origin. State of origin. Then if I do that, then I can remove this and I paste. Oh sorry, Control Z. So I can come here, Control A, Control V. Can you see that now? State of origin. Can you see if you click on it now? So you copy all the states and you put there. Any of them that you choose. If I choose this now, this is what will appear. Okay, it's that easy. It's that easy. So any of them that you want to do, you can do that. So once you are done with the form, all right, now I can minimize this. So that's how you create the form. If you are done with the form now, like this part you have here, what is this one? and remove this. So like this one that is here now, so submit button. If you come to this submit button, I click on it. Okay, so I can say submit your form. Instead of just submit form, I can say submit your form. All right, then I want to be full button, a white button. Can you see white button? All right, so that is what you get. And now that we are done with this, all right, now that we are done with this form now, so the next thing is you save. As you are working, make sure you save. So the moment you are done saving, you come to settings. You can see settings here. Click on settings. All right, this is the link of the form. I copy this link now. Come over to my tab and I paste. So okay, paste and press enter. Okay, you see the form showing. All right, so this is the form showing here. Can you see the form now? This is what we have done. Right, good. So if we, let's continue. If you come over to this now, this is the form. Then you come to email. This is what I was talking about. You come to email settings. If the web hosting you are using, if the server is good, the email will deliver to your inbox. All right. So if you come to, if you deliver to your inbox, all right. So if your email server is good, the email will deliver. So this is where you set it up. Email notification. Then you put the email you want you want to be receiving notification from. All right, put it if it's your this thing, you can say if it's your Gmail, just put whatever thing you want to put there at gmail.com. All right, you can see that if you don't want to use that, you want to use Yahoo Mail, you can use Yahoo Mail, yahoo.com. Any email that you want to use, you can use there. All right, then you come to form name. Already the form name is training. I can say training. All right, put it there. The reason is because if you have so many forms created, you need to specify. All right, then new submission, the message already there. The page URL, the unique ID, and all of these things will come by itself. So you don't need to fix anything here. Just leave it automatically. Once anybody fill a form, these things will be generated by itself. So you just make sure you put your email, confirm the email, and you have this. Then the next thing is embed. How do you add this form to your website? That is what we mean by embed. Two ways. You can use the link, you can use the short code. All right, I'll be showing you that shortly. Now, let me open a page. Let me open all my pages. Open a new tab. My page in a new tab. So these are the pages. Come over. Let me view this one. See. Okay, so let me just edit. All right, so once it loads up, so I will show you how you can add a form to it via the link. This is dedicated page form, or via the short code, any of them. So I will show you how you can do that. Then the next one is custom text. You can have the custom text there, but there's nothing to do there. Now the advanced part talks about if anybody click on submit form, where does it take them to after they have submitted? Is it that they will go to your thank you page? That is where you have this redirect on submit. Immediately they click on submit, it will redirect them to either a thank you page or your WhatsApp, anywhere you want to redirect them to. All right, then this directs how many seconds after. If you want to put 10 seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, it depends on you. All right, it depends on you. So but if you leave it blank, it means that automatically the moment the person just hits this submit your form, it will redirect them to a thank you page. Okay, that is what I'm talking about here. So now let me finish this now. All right, so this is a page. Now let me show you how you can add a form to it. The first is, let me come to embed. The first we are using is through this dedicated form. All right, dedicated form page. If I copy this link, copy the link, I come to my page and I click on add button. If I click on add button, all right, this is button. I can drag it. All right, this is button. Now you can see that. Click on it. So I will paste it on this target URL. Can you see target URL here? So I'll paste the form here. You can see the link of the form. Then I will click. You can change this right up. Say, okay, click here to register or to join. All right. So this is just the text. That's how to add the. If I click on save now, then I click on. All right. Then I click on preview. All right. Good. If I come over to this part, can you see the form now? The moment I click on it, to take me to my form. That is one way. Now the second way is through the use of the short code. Through the use of the short code. Now let me show you the short code. You can see the short code here. Copy the short code. Copy it. Then come to your page. This is the first one. Then the second one is via the text. Just look at the text here. Okay, you can see the text. Then paste it. This is how it will appear on the page you are building. Just save your work. Save your work, then preview. It will appear in that format. Right. So if you scroll down now, can you see the form? So, but then the form is not well positioned. So you can come over to this page we are building. Then just take your cursor to the end. Right. Then you can move. Oh, sorry. Take your cursor to the end. Right. Then come to position and layout. Can you see that now? You can drag it. Let's just leave it at 50 and see how it looks. All right. Let's say 50. Right. Then save your work again. Right. Save your work. Then still reload and see. Right. Can you see that it has adjusted a bit? Then still go back and do it very well. Then while you are doing that, you can check how it looks on mobile. These are this thing. You can see the mobile version. You can see the mobile version. This is mobile. All right. So that is what you get on that aspect. So once you are done adding it to your page, now let's say like the advanced I'm talking about now, this is what I'm saying. So if you have a page or maybe you want to redirect them to your WhatsApp, you may click on this form, it should come to your WhatsApp. You can copy your WhatsApp link and put there. All right, copy your WhatsApp link, create the link and paste there so that whenever they click on it, they come to your WhatsApp. Or if you wanted to go to your thank you page, this is an example of a thank you page. Let me just show you. This is an example of a thank you page. All right, so let me see. Say thank you. Right, can you see this example of a thank you page? If I come over to this, if I copy this now, I'm working, edit, okay. So I will come to this advanced, still on settings rather, still on setting, okay, still on setting, come to this place and paste it. It means that when the person submits this form, it will take them to this thank you page. This is the thank you page we are seeing here. All right, it will take them to this thank you page. So you must have created this your thank you page, then copy the link. Can you see the link now? Copy this link, come to edit and paste it here. All right, that is for the settings. So make sure you do that. You save again. Then you come to styling. So this is the last part. The styling talks about adding beauty to your landing page, to your form rather, adding beauty. So if you come here, come to general styling. If you want to remove frame, you can see if you want to remove frame, you can remove frame. If you don't want to do that, then you can come to font. You want to increase the font. You want it, can you see that the font is getting bigger? If you want to make it big, you can do the font. Then you can change the font. You can see different type of font. You can say Ubuntu. Can you see that? Then you come to feed styling. Feed styling. Look at feed styling. Let me show you. Can you see that now? This is feed styling. Can you see the way it is? It's like that, right? Can you see everything is coming out big? That is from the styling. All right. So once you are done with that, you don't need to add it again. just save. Anything you do on this aspect, it will automatically reflect. Now look at what I'm talking about here. If I come here and reload this page, can you see that it will automatically reflect? So that is how you create a form on your WordPress website. So if you are watching the video, just take your time, go through it again. It's a step by step. If you miss anything, just take your time and watch it again. All right. So if you need this plugin that was used to design this particular form, just hit me via the WhatsApp number on the description of this video and you get access to it. All right. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Hope you got value from this. If, like I said, if this is your first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get updates on our subsequent video. All right. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.